Hello, first graders. I'm very excited about a science job that we get to start today. Our target skill for today is I can observe and describe objects in the sky. Let's take a closer look. This is a picture of a daytime sky. What are some things that you see in this image? One thing that I see is the sun. The sun is the star closest to Earth. Now I know what you're thinking. Hold up, Miss Rossman. A star? I see stars at nighttime. Boys and girls, the sun is a type of star. A star is an object in the sky that gives off its own light, kind of like a light bulb. So the sun is a star because it gives off its own light, but we can see this star during the daytime. Now take a look at the nighttime sky. What do you see in the nighttime sky? One thing that I see is the moon. The moon is a large sphere of rock. Think about a rock. Does a rock give off its own light? It does not. The moon is a rock. It is not a star because it does not give off its own light. We can also see stars in the nighttime sky. We know that a star is an object in the sky that gives off its own light. Take a look at these two images of the moon. What is different about the moon in this picture and the moon in this picture? This picture is a close-up image of the moon. The moon has been magnified. To magnify something means to make something look bigger. How can we make the moon and the stars look bigger? We can use a tool called a telescope. A telescope is a tool that helps us magnify things in the sky. Things in the sky are far away. The telescope helps us see them closer. Look at these two images of the sun. This first image is what I see when I look at the sun with my eyes. This second image is what the sun looks like with a very strong telescope. Do you see the difference? Which one is magnified? The image that we can see from the telescope is magnified. All right, boys and girls, now it is your turn to read about and answer questions about objects we can see in the sky during the day and the nighttime. Have fun, first graders!